Look what I have. Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the August 2026 Allure Beauty Box. It normally is a white box. We have a red box. Also, this box compared to other months feels kind of light. So fingers crossed we don't have two meh boxes in a row. If you missed the July unboxing, I will link it in the eye above. It was, for me, worth the $23 I spent on it. However, wasn't the best box in the world, but everyone has their own opinion. All right, if you're new to the Allure Beauty Box, it's a $30 a month box, and I just said mine's $23. That's because I pay 3 months at a time, and you do get a discount. Plus, I may or may not be grandfathered in. I don't know. I've been subscribed for over 5 years. If you are interested, I do have a friend referral code in the description, which will save you $10. I think I get a coupon that I never use, so if you are against that, I get it. Use somebody's code so you can save yourself some money. All right, this is called the Edit, so now I'm curious if this is something special or different, or if they just put those words on their little pamphlet, which, by the way, the pamphlet will have the full-size pricing. And I also forgot to mention that we get at least 6 products, and 3 are guaranteed to be full-size. All right, now enough rambling. Let's dive in. First product is from a brand called Medicate, and this is the liquid Peptides. Peptides are big right now. It's a line smoothing serum. Yes, please. I am over the age of 50, close to 60, and I need serums, peptides, and line reducing products like there's no tomorrow. This is what the product looks like. It's a glass bottle. We get 30 ml, and it retails for, okay, $68. So this one product, assuming you enjoy serums, especially those with peptides, more than paid for the box. All right, next product, we have something from a brand I have never heard of called Dr. BRID C, and it's a barrier defense basic cream. What's the basic cream? It says it hydrates and firms. I'm gonna need to look in the little booklet here because I don't know. All right, so it retails for $19.99. It's a K-Beauty cream, which combines coddling ceramides, calming niacinamide, and hydrating squalane to soothe skin and help lock in moisture before dryness, tightness, and irritation develop. Basically, it's just a daytime moisturizer. Why they need to call it a basic cream, I don't know. All right, next item is very tiny and bubble wrapped. Ooh, this possibly could be the item we got to select. Yes, it is. Okay, so this is from a brand called Half Magic, and it is an eyeshadow single. And we got to select from 3 shades, 4 shades. I will put what we got to select from on screen. Oh, very cheap, inexpensive packaging, because I think this is intended to maybe go into like a Z palette, or maybe they're trying to be earth friendly. This honestly feels like styrofoam, and that is a tiny little quad there, not quad, single pan. That was the word that wouldn't come to me. The shade I selected looks beautiful though. Ooh, okay, let me do a swatch, and then if you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. In the future, I will do a try on. Okay, ooh, that catches the light. I like a good shimmer. Of course, I'm actually wearing one, so yeah. Stick around to see that in action. I was really shocked and surprised about the packaging. What does that retail for? Okay, $15. I don't know how I feel about that. That actually seems very expensive because it's a very tiny single pan, and even bougier pans, like from bougie brands, aren't $15 for one. Bougie ones are like $6 for like one pan, maybe 8. Huh. And does it say, oh, it's 0.04 ounces? All right, let me know how you feel about that. Oh, I will tell you how I feel about this next item. It's for the hair, and this is almost bigger than my entire head. Okay, so I know a lot of you have hair and would love a product like that. If I had hair, I would love it as well. So it retails for $12.99, and I guess there are 4 colors you could have received. If I had hair, I would have liked the black. Well, no, I guess, I don't know. It comes in pearl, gray, like a oat, and black. Next product. This is, I don't know. It says comeback. It's shaped like makeup. Are you makeup? Let's find out. Oh, don't know why I'm smelling it. Smells like a mascara. What is the brand? I am extra looking in the booklet this month. Oh, okay. This is from ATHR Beauty. I thought they went out of business. I swear there was an ATHR palette that I got once in an Ipsy. And anyways, I guess they're back. And this is a $28 mascara, which for me is expensive. I'm a drugstore L'Oreal or Maybelline type of a mascara girly. But let me know if you've tried this. Yeah, $28 mascara. But that is a second makeup item in the box, so yay. And then the last product, we have a perfume. I almost wore a perfume, but then I thought, maybe, just maybe, sometimes we get perfumes in Allure, and sure enough, we got one. But is this one I already own? Let's see. This is Commodity Milk. Hold the phone. I think I already own this. Let me check. Okay, I have a couple of products. This one says Commodity Milk, but then it says Scent Space Expensive. This says Commodity Milk, and it says Scent Space Bold. What does this one say? Scent Space Expressive. Okay, so all 3 are different. Is the scent the same, but how potent it is? Is that the difference? Well, I guess one way to find out. Let's find a tissue or a piece of paper and do a little spritz. Okay. And I'm curious if these smell the same. I think so. All right. Well, let's just go for it. I gotta be careful how I say this. It's not my jam. It doesn't smell bad. It's kind of giving maybe unisex vibes. I say that because there's something in there that's making me think it smells like a men's cologne, but that could just be my unversed nose because I'm not the best perfume type of person. But all right, let's recap everything I got in the August 2026 the edit box. We got a mascara from ATHR Beauty, a hair clip from TELETIES, a perfume sample from Commodity, a single eyeshadow pan from Half Magic, a barrier defense basic cream from Dr. BRID C, and a liquid peptide serum from Medicate. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, I did get my $23 back. This was what, $68 and this was $20, so $88, 2 products. They are skincare, but I am over the age of 50 and use and enjoy skincare. I love makeup, and this single shadow, which in my opinion at $15 for how tiny it is, ooh, so I'm glad I got it in the box. I will have fun playing with it because I love shimmers. Unfortunately, I only wear waterproof mascara, so my niece will be excited to get that in her life, as well as this hair clip because she has hair and I don't. And this scent, I don't know, again, it's not bad, it's just not my jam. So now I know why the box didn't weigh much. Is this an exciting box? No. So that's 2 months in a row. However, I will still continue to get it because I only spent $23 and I like unboxing and sharing with you. All right, but now I want to hear from you. What did you think of this month's box? Do you get the box? And if so, did you skip or did you get it? And if you got it, what did you think? All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking on the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow, as does swiping the hype button if you happen to be watching on your phone. All right, thanks everyone.